All right, can you pick me out of the snow? This is what's called a typical winter snowstorm in Canada. Check this out here. Look at this. Look at me. Yes, I'm not wearing a hat. See if this Osmo works with face tracking in the snowstorm. Look at behind me. It's pretty much a whiteout everywhere that you look. So this is a good reason to not fly a drone. I can't fly a drone today because there's too much snow happening, high winds, and look at my hair. And anyways, you wouldn't fly a drone in this. So that's why I'm also using RC cars now, because they're pretty cool and I could drive them in this. And today I'm gonna take, in this snowstorm, I'm gonna take a X-MAXX out in the snowstorm, and I'm gonna put little lights on it so I can actually see it, because I won't be able to see it if it gets too far because of all this snow. So here we go. I'm gonna stick a GoPro up on the top here. Whoa, she worked. Now my plan was to put little lights here so I could see where it's going. There we go, nice and bright in the front. And for the rear I have a light too. Put you there, put the light on. Actually I'm gonna make you flash. Where's flashing mode? There we go. Look at me, look at my foot here, I'm in the snow. You ever have those days when you think it's a good idea to do something and then it turns out not to be? This is one of them. Get the snow off this thing. Can you see me? Okay, it's too crazy out here. Too much snow, too much everything. I'm gonna take the X-MAXX and we're gonna go in and warm up, clean the snow off, and yeah, this was a bad idea. All right, for me, Frozen Steve out here in the winter storm. I don't know if you can see me because this lens is all messed up with water. And the X-MAXX over here. Thanks for watching. There's my thumb. There's my thumb. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video with drones and more RC cars. Take care. Let's see how much snow's in here. Inside. Whoa! Look at that! All right, I gotta power this thing down. Someplace in here, there's a power switch. All right. The only place for this to fit in my car is in the trunk. It's so friggin' huge. There we go. Plop you down there. Sits in the back with the snowshoes back there.